How to use past to future. Today we are going to take the opportunity of the Universiade to explore a prestigious school in the field of information technology, the University of Electronic Science and Technology of China.
The University of Electronic Science and Technology of China was founded in September 1956. After more than 60 years of construction, the university has formed a multi-level and multi-type talent training pattern from undergraduate to master's and doctoral students. Taking electronic information science technology as the core and focusing on engineering, it has become a multidisciplinary research university that completely covers the entire electronic information discipline, infiltrates science and engineering. So far, it has become the source of high-tech in the domestic electronic information field and the base for innovative talents.
We all say that the quickest and the most comprehensive way to learn about a university is through their museum. So here I am at the museum of their university. I've heard that they have a lot of high-tech exhibits here. Let's take a look. Come on.
The Museum of the University of Electronic Science and Technology of China is the first comprehensive electronic science and technology museum in China, which was officially opened on September the 28th, 2016, when the university celebrated its 60th anniversary.
Among all of these exhibits, two of them deserve special attention. This is the Large Antenna Array X-band Imaging Experimental System developed by our university in 1991. It can detect not only the position of the target, but also the shape of it. The two-dimensional images of objects in radar screen in place of just one point have great significance.
The museum currently has a collection of nearly 14,000 items, including 6 electronic industries: communication, radar, broadcasting and television, electronic mirroring instruments, electronic components, and computers.
Wow, this looks like some kind of tools.
Actually, these are the first generation of waveguides developed in China in 1957 by our professors and engineers in our university. Waveguides are the key components in radar equipment, but at that time, it was difficult to manufacture these basic components. After these waveguides were developed, they were taken as examples to other universities, factories, and research institutions around China. The microwave technology started from scratch. It is the beginning of microwave technology and the radar industry in China.
The School History Hall was officially opened in 2009. As one of the infrastructure of the university, its main function is to record and display the history of the university, mainly serve the teachers and students of the university, and play an important role in patriotism, moral cultivation, and ideological guidance.
The historical exhibition shows the story of our university from its establishment to now. The whole museum covers 432 square meters and is divided into 5 parts.
The gymnasium at Qingshuihe campus is designed and built according to the National Grade A Gymnasium standard. The gymnasium covers an area of about 24,000 square meters. There is a 700 square meter basketball warm-up exercise field in the gymnasium, with more than 6,800 seats of all kinds. During the university, it is put into use as one of the basketball communication venues.
本届比赛，学校累计输送了近500余名志愿者。经过通识培训、专业培训、专项能力提升及赛前演练等环节，同学们都已准备就绪。赛会期间，同学们将服务于1个竞赛场馆、3个训练场馆、开幕式、大运村以及我们的城市轨道交通等场所。 向全世界人民展现中国青年的青春风貌。目前，我们竞赛场馆共有229名志愿者同学上岗服务，其中设置了8个工作组，涵盖语言服务、交通安保、竞赛器材等23个岗位类型。经过前期的9次赛前演练，超过450人次的同学到现场熟悉工作。
成都 makes dreams come true.
成都 makes dreams come true.
成都 makes dreams come true.
成都 makes dreams come true. Welcome to our university.